How to fix Apple Store disabled. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you're struggling with disabled App Store, then I'll walk you through on how to solve it. First, go to settings, then go ahead and tap on screen time. Scroll down, go to content and privacy restrictions, and go to App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Now, uh, make sure that you have allowed everything. Sometimes this might be the problem. Uh, you can even go to apps and make sure 17 plus is allowed. And then you can go to web content and make sure it is unrestricted. Then you can even go to iTunes and App Store purchases and make sure that installing apps, deleting apps, and in app purchases are allowed. Just tap on it and make sure it is ticked on allow. And that's it. This will help you solve your issue. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.